The WTCA was born of the idea that doing business around the globe should be as easy as doing business down the street. This is exactly the purpose of the WTCA General Assembly.
Indeed, GA 2023 is a big deal. It's a crowning glory of all we have achieved and sought to achieve, and our positive projection of Ghana and Africa to the world. It is an encouraging moment for Ghana and for our entrepreneurs, and for all of Africa and for its entrepreneurs. And it's an invitation to global partnerships and for the establishment of beneficial trade ties and investment opportunities. It's an opportunity of a lifetime. Perhaps a year in Africa may not happen again anytime soon.
The focus of this year's General Assembly is on business opportunities across the continent of Africa, bringing together new and expanded opportunities not only to and from Ghana, but all nations.
As Africans, it is our collective duty to change the narrative and our relevance to the global economy through increased industrialization and value addition to our natural resources in order to cease being a supplier of raw materials only.
Everywhere in Africa with opportunity and potential. If we have about 17% of the world's population, 20% of the world's landmass, and 6% of land that is arable but uncultivated, and if we boast 30% of world's mineral resources, and yet we account for only 3% of global GDP and trade, we should be commanding about 30% of world GDP, but we command only 3%. So that's the gap that you and I have a responsibility to work towards narrowing. We see this not as a Ghana event, but an African event.
Thank you so much for making this evening an awesome one. God bless you.